Progress is addictive. Show it to your users and they will be addicted to chasing it. Now, a simple bar can make a difference between returning customers to your app or someone who's just ghosting your app. This is how our demo app looks like currently. I know there's a lot to it. Go ahead and check out the link in the description for all of the moving parts that we have over here. There's a lot to cover, but today I'm going to show you how a simple progress bar can make your customers keep coming back and again. Now, again and again. Now, the whole purpose of this is that they will chase it to coming all the way up. For example, you have some sort of an offer, like if you buy 9 cappuccinos, the 10th one is on you, like it's free. So you want to display that, and you want to display it prominently, and a progress bar is a really, really nice way of letting your users know where they are at currently. So that's what we are going to build out. I'm just going to replace this header right over here. Again, go ahead and check out the previous videos in the playlist if you are interested in what this is and how this works. And if you want me to build out a custom business app for your particular business, go ahead and check out the link in the description is the first one. Okay, so let's get into the code. I'm going to open up Xcode, and basically this is our banner that I was talking about here, this orangish banner over here. And what I'm going to do is just comment it out, so I'm just going to remove it. Instead, I'm going to add in here the progress. Now the progress, of course, is going to be handled by the backend. We don't have a backend right over here. This is just for UI and for you to better understand how this should look like, how it looks like really nicely inside an iOS app. So I'm just going to go with the UI. So first of all, we are going to create a vertical stack. And let's just have the text first. So we are going to have a text of 2 more cappuccinos, 2 more cappuccinos, and get 1 free. There we go. And let's make this bold, and then let's set the foreground style to secondary. There we go. And what I'm going to do is just build and run, so we can see that, okay, there is our text. And then we are going to move on to our progress bar. Let's just wait for this. There we go. 2 more cappuccinos and get 1 free. Really nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do right over here on top of our text, I'm going to add a progress view. So progress view, and I'm going to go with the value initializer. So value, and let's just say it's at 0.7%, and then let's have a tint of green, you know, because green is like, okay, we're on good to go. And then let's have, let's just see how this looks like, and then we can move on to the other parts. Okay, so I'm just telling you this because I just want to show you this because this is how it looks like. You know, it's a little bit skinny, but it's fine. It's fine. We need to tweak it a little bit more so it's more attractive to the end user. So first of all, you know, it's really skinny. Let's just make it thinner. So let's have a scale effect. Scale effect of Y. On the Y-axis, I want to make this 3 times larger. So let's build and run and see how that looks like. There we go. Much, much nicer. But still, you know, it's just a dummy progress view. I want to add the cappuccino's icon, which is this one over here. So I'm just going to have an overlay on top of the progress view with an alignment. So I want the alignment on the trailing part, trailing, and the content of a text of that cappuccino. Let's just have that. There we go. And let's just see how this looks like. It will be okay, but there still are some stuff that we need to address. Okay, there it is. It's a little bit too small and not exactly at the right place. So I'm just going to make this a font of large title, and then I'm going to offset it a little bit. So offset, and on the Y, offset, come on, option and enter. So on the x-axis, I'm going to go 14, and on the y-axis, I'm going to go -3. Okay, let's just see that. Maybe we are going to add a padding. Let's just take a look at this. Well, this is fine, but it's much too cramped. As you can see, this is at the end of our progressive view. Let's just add a little bit of padding, and I believe that will just do it. There we go. Build has succeeded, and this is much nicer. So here we have our progress and 2 more cappuccinos and get 1 free. Now if you like what you see right over here, including the favorites, how I'm taking the favorites and we have this nice animation with the confetti, go ahead and check out the link in the description for the whole playlist. And if you're interested in me making your business an app that brings loyalty among your customers, go ahead and check out the first link in the description.